Hi everybody, my name is Brenda Sherry and I'm going to be your instructor for IICTI Part 1 and 2. That's the integration of information and computer technology in instruction. Huge long name, so we just call it IICTI or IICTI. I'm excited to say that we have a Part 1 and a Part 2 combined course this semester. That's going to be really exciting because it is really all about learning technology from a community of learners. So we'll have lots of co-learning going on, and it'll be wonderful to have those Part 2s to help us out. We are also expecting a couple more people who are just signing up now. So we might have a few more people on the list by next Monday. So it was a crazy week with the storm, and I thought I would just take this opportunity to introduce myself because I know most of the names on the list, but there's a few of you who are new to me. And I wanted to let you know that you might be getting some login information from Laurier. If you do want to browse around in the My Learning space, it's on the screen that you see in front of you here. Be aware that this is my login as an instructor, so it might look slightly different than what you see, but you should see a content box on this side that has our modules throughout the semester. Also some resources already in there and our assignments list. Don't worry about getting through those too much. On our first day, we're going to unpack a lot of that. If you want to take a look at Module 1, that's where we're starting, and there are a couple of discussions already in there that you can jump into, especially the introductions one, which I'll show you in a second. There will always be a news item. Each week I'll post something here with some links to help you get oriented around. And basically you can get to your content for the course either by hitting the drop down here and going to content. Yours won't say course builder, or up under resources you can go to content here. So I'm just going to click on module 1. And you'll see that in the content browser, there is an introductions for both Part 1 and Part 2 participants discussion. There's also a student survey. You're welcome to take that this week as you get logged in. If you don't have time to get logged in or you can't make it work for you, don't worry, we'll start on Monday. And then our discussions for the next week will fall under discussion 1 for Part 2. Discussion for Part 1s and a discussion for Part 2s, okay? So for example, if I click over to that introductions discussion, here's where I'd like you to add some information about you, what you're teaching, where you're teaching, that kind of thing, and you'll be able to post that as a student, okay? I'm going to go back. And then when I hit the student survey one, you should see a embedded Google form, which will be asking you for your information about yourself. Okay, so you can give those things a try. We'll be also doing this in class if you don't have time to get it done, so don't worry. We'll be making up our time for that lost class. And I have a few interesting ideas of how we can do that. So I'm really looking forward to meeting you next Monday. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to email me or Google me. You can find me online. I'm pretty easy to get a hold of. So Twitter, Facebook, email, phone, anything is good. So looking forward to the class, and we'll see you next Monday. Thanks.